if I didn't have a service dog, is there a cleaning fee?
Yes. Because that's for cleaning the towels.
Okay, wait. Let me ask that question
Okay.
one more time.
Okay.
If I don't have a service dog,
Mm-hmm.
is there an extra cleaning fee that's not included in the rate?
If you don't have a service dog, we don't allow.
Don't
We
allow
approve
what?
Any pets. Only
Okay.
allow service animal. And
Right.
that's why we have a cleaning fees. That's not a pet fee.
Okay, so if I don't have a service animal, is there a cleaning fee?
There is no way we can rent you the room if you don't have a service animal, because that's against our policy. We just allow
Wait.
service
That
animal.
doesn't make sense. So if I don't
It
have
doesn't make a sense. If you don't have a service animal,
yeah,
there is no room.
just me.
Just you,
Yeah.
no problem.
Then, yeah, me and my wife.
Then no problem.
Okay.
No
Is-
charge, nothing.
No service fee or no cleaning
nothing.
fee?
No, nothing. If humans, you and your wife is gonna be there is no extra charge.
Okay. And if I have a service dog?
There is just a cleaning fees.
Okay. So that's not lawful.
This is lawful.
No.
You can check on my website. You can check on Expedia. You can check on Priceline. You can check on booking.com. Everywhere we have mentioned
All those
our pet
places
policy.
don't matter. The only place that matters is the ADA website.
All right. You know these things?
Yeah.
Sorry.
So that's what you're gonna do?
No, I'm just showing you this is the thing.
Okay, so you're gonna refuse service
Yes.
because we have a service dog.
No.
That that is also against the law.
No problem.
You can't do that.
Yeah, we can, because we are
Not
individual.
if we have not for the reason of
Keep your
having a
volume
service
down.
dog.
Keep your volume down. I'm just talking with you, right? I'm not arguing with you.
But I'm telling you, you can't invoke that.
We do have a right to refuse the service. You can take a picture, no problem.
You can do that,
We can. That's why it's here.
but not for any reason.
No, but we do.
But not for any reason.
Not for any reason.
And one of
because
those reasons is service dog.
I don't mind if you have a service dog. There is no problem. It's just that we have a cleaning fees, which is $30 and nothing else.
So
You
you have
cannot record me. No problem. I'm having you here. We do have the camera here.
yeah, but you can't charge a cleaning fee.
That is a cleaning fee.
Just because
not
of
a
a
pet
service-
fees. It's not a pet fee. It's not a service animal fee. That is just the cleaning fees.
But if
For the towels, for the sheets, you're gonna take your service animal inside the room. So that's why we are just asking for you, requesting for you to give the cleaning fees. That is all we are asking for.
okay, so explain to me again then. If
This is what I wanna. I
What-
don't wanna do this.
one more
Thank you.
question.
There is no question. You can go. Just leave my property. Okay? I don't wanna rent you the room.
Okay, you're gonna get a complaint.
Thank you so much.
You've been fully recorded
Thank you.
on all of this.
Thank you.